was March end of this year. And I would say like basically the course is very, very accurate and it's very detailed. And you need to basically know each and everything, whatever Abhishek is saying or whatever Dr. Deepthi is saying in the class. It's really, really useful because I'm applying it every day and I'm just thinking, okay, this is what it was taught in the class. This is how it is done. It is how it is shown in the class. So that's how it is. So basically this course is really, really helpful. And also basically I attended interviews, and the questions they ask in the interviews are exactly from this course, nothing out of the course other than the behavioral questions. But whatever related to drug safety, it is in the course. Like basically you need to go through all the modules, do it couple of times. You need to be very, very confident, and everything is covered here. And there's I've attended many interviews, and I've seen that none of the questions were out of what we learned in the course actually. So I was